Welcome to the Memorizing Pharmacology podcast. I'm Tony Guerra, the pharmacist and author of the Memorizing Pharmacology book series, bringing you mnemonics, cases, and advice for succeeding in pharmacology. Sign up for the email list at memorizingpharm.com to get your free suffixes cheat sheet or find our mobile-friendly, self-paced online pharmacology review course at residency.teachable.com/p/mobile. Let's get started with the show.
I don't know what it's like in the UK, but this one, question 7 from the Pre-Reg exam, part 1, has two definite speeds. If you're very comfortable with math, you can do it very quickly, no problem, you move on. But if you aren't, there's a way to do it that's extremely long, and I'll get to it here, but here in the States, some of the test makers like to put in a problem like this that really tests your speed, because there's a really long way to do it and then there's a short way to do it. Okay? So Mr. C presents a prescription for prednisolone tablets, 5 milligrams. You got my pointer out here. The initial dose of 50 milligrams daily is to be taken for 2 weeks. At the end of the 2 weeks, he's to reduce his daily dose by 5 milligrams per week until the course is finished. So again, we want to change 5 milligrams to 1 tablet. Initial dose 50 milligrams per day. 2 weeks is our time, and then it's going to reduce by 5 milligrams per week, and then total stock is 100 tablets. And then I might circle, I bolded it, but how many tablets are owed to Mr. C? Okay. I'm going to show you the short way and the quick way to do this problem, and then I'll show you the long way. So I have the question up here, and the first calculation we have to make is that first 2-week course, how many tablets. So we have tablets. 1 tablet is 5 milligrams, and I wouldn't put prednisolone up there unless you have some kind of other medication in which you have to make a differentiation. But tablets over milligrams, and then we have 50 milligrams given per day, and we have 14 days. Cross off milligrams diagonally, cross off days diagonally, we end up with 140 tablets. Easy enough. Okay. So the short way is to recognize that every week, or every 7 days, he's going to go to, and here we have the 50 milligrams, but this is really 10 tablets. So he's going to go from 9 tablets to 8 tablets to 7 to 6 to 5 to 4 to 3 to 2 to 1, and you can just create that sum, where you just add up 1 plus 2 plus 3 makes 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 6 21, plus 7 28, plus 8 36, plus 9 45, 45 times 7, 315, 315 plus 140 makes 455. So be careful, that's not the question. We don't want to know how many tablets are owed. We gave him everything we had. We gave him 100 tablets. So 455 minus 100 makes 355, the true answer. Okay? That's the short way to do it. But if you're stressed and you just can't wrap your head around what's going on every week, sometimes the more methodical answer actually works out to be okay, because you're still making progress. You're not muddled and stopped with it. So I'll show you the longer way to do this. So the second dose is going to be, the first dose was, the second dose is going to be 7 days, and I messed this up. This should be 45, or it's 50 minus 5 over 1 day, so I didn't mess it up. 50 milligrams minus 5 milligrams over 1 day times 1 tablet per 5 milligrams gives us the number of tablets each time, just like we did before. So the second dose is 63 tablets. The third dose is 56. The fourth dose is 49, and we're doing all of this math, and it's very time consuming. But what you might notice is, wait a minute, I see a pattern. 63, went to 56, went to 49. And you notice that this is 63 minus 7 makes 56, 56 minus 7 makes 49. And if you trust this pattern, then you can just forget about all of this and just go 42, 35, 28, 21, 14, and 7. So add up 140 plus 63, 56, 49, 42, 35, 28, 21, 14, and 7 to get to 455. Remember to subtract the 100 you gave them. to get to 355. And again, we see this a lot in the United States, and they'll put in math problems like this, which have a long way and a short way, really testing, has this person advance their math to the point where they can do the shortcut, or is it going to create a barrier? Is it going to make it much longer for them?
Thanks for listening to the Memorizing Pharmacology podcast. You can find episodes, cheat sheets, and more at memorizingpharm.com. Again, you can sign up for the email list at memorizingpharm.com to get your free suffixes cheat sheet, or find our mobile-friendly, self-paced online pharmacology review course at residency.teachable.com/p/mobile. Thanks again for listening.